Hello, my loves. It's Kasha Planarista 101. Today we're going to be opening the package from Jojo's Pretty Paper Shop, her release that was not too long ago. I want to show you everything I got and show you the options in case you haven't purchased from her. So let me show you. This little book is a sticker book. It has really slippery pages for reusable stickers. I also ordered two advent calendars. I never had one before with stickers. So one is a luxury, one is floral. Both of them are, I'm sure, stunning and I can't wait, but I am waiting. I'm being good. So I purchased another book because her book is the bomb. If you guys haven't seen a flip through of her book, go and check it out. Her artwork is so stunning. She hand draws everything. So I'm so obsessed, you guys. I don't know why this is so beautiful and how she does it, but it is. So this collection that I'm putting out right now is called Take Me Home. It's a rustic farmhouse type of sticker. It is a beautiful. So perfect for Thanksgiving if you're going to be decorating. It is so cute. Super adorable. Okay, next one, it's 4 little pages and it's called Winter Friends. It is adorable and it does match a full collection that she has that I'm going to show in a bit once I get to it and open it. But yes, these are called Winter Friends. They're little critters and animals and deer and foxes. Super cute. This is called Winter Botanicals. And this 4 pages. Look how beautiful these are. Like, I can't wait to use them. I'm saving them for January because, yeah, how could I not? Okay, if you went to Chicago Planner Conference, you might have seen this already, but look how beautiful her Chicago Planner Conference stickers are with Chicago skyline, the packing, the planners, all of it, like all of the shebang. So if you don't want to necessarily use the Chicago stuff, you don't have to. There's still plenty of like planner stuff, but look how beautiful her artwork is. Again, hand drawn. I don't know how she does it. It is a full set. I live near Chicago, so I'm going to be using it regardless of whether the conference is there or not. So I will be using it afterwards. Super cute. This is the one I was telling you that matches. This is called Into the Woods. And it has some of these little friends in here. So then if you purchase the other one, you'll just have a lot more animals to kind of play with. But look at these like Bambi deer. Oh my Lord, adorable. I am so excited. I think I'm going to be saving this for January again because after Christmas is over, there's so many stickers that you can use that is not as busy. So this is that. It is so cute. I love them. I love these little critters and little animals. Oh, and you do get this big birch tree, almost like washi in here as well. So it makes sense because it is woody. Okay, then this one is called Moonlight Magic. It is so gorgeous, you guys. I'm like itching to use this. But I am a saver. Are you guys are savers? Like, do you wait to use your stickers because they're so pretty? Like how, what do you do? Let me know because I am so conflicted about my stickers. Okay. And then I did order a set of Christmas cards from her in case I wanted to write something to some people, especially like coworkers, if I want to write them thank you notes for the year or anything like that. These are very like non-religious, which is great. So I wanted to use those, and they come with seals and they come with envelopes. They are so affordable, you guys. It's like $5 for the whole set. So it comes out to less than $1 per card. You can't buy that at the store. Super, super awesome. Okay. So if you watched the whole thing with me, thank you so much. The sticker flip through is already out there on my page and all of my other co-PR people as well. And then of course I am going to be opening the stickers from the advent calendar, but I am being super, super patient. So if you guys seen this, I already used this book because hello, it's beautiful. So but this is what it looks like. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon for another plan with me. Thanks.